Why do toppers succeed? Why some people get very high marks? Why some repeatedly qualify prelims and make it through the mains? What is it that the toppers have that many others do not have and they can emulate? The answer to all these questions is one question: self study. I have been a part of a very large institution setup which teaches, coaches, but this is something I think I realized and I would like to share with all of you. A great wisdom, which is until you have the ability of studying on your own, diving to topics, analyzing on your own, until you have the ability of writing answers and even finding out the problems on your own, you will not be able to qualify. The classes give you some kind of a format to follow that makes your preparation more predictable. Tests kind of guide you into how to answer better. But the actual study is the self study. Sitting down with the book, making notes, referring books, updating current affairs on your own, anticipating what can be asked. I know somebody who told me that he is going to current affairs classes on weekly basis because sir teaches everything about a topic. And the topic we're discussing is caste census. Then I asked the person, आप बताओ क्या पढ़ाया जा रहा है? So what is caste census? When did it start? What are the other examples of caste census? What are the controversies of caste census? What were the findings of the caste census? Why will caste census become controversial? What are the other alternatives to caste census? Then I asked the person, you're getting ready, going out to class, sitting there for 2-3 hours, studying at the pace of the larger class. Then you come back home just for one topic of detailed study. You're spending 4 or 5 hours just going and sitting and being a part of a larger group dynamics where maybe it's not benefiting you the way it should. अब तो आपके पास AI है, आपके पास UKey है, आपके पास इंटरनेट है. You have your resources at the fingertips through Wikipedia. Can't you search these details on your own and make your own jottings? जब तक आप ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं लाएंगे कि आपको अपने आप पढ़ना है, आपको अपने आप सीखना है, yes, the mentor or institute can give a list of what to study. They can probably suggest what book to study. पढ़ना तो आप ही को है. So if I as a teacher can give you the content list to what to study, can you promise study on your own? If you can, you will qualify. Join me on my Telegram channel Shabbir Educami for IAS, जहाँ पर डेली बेसिस पे आपको बताता रहूंगा what topic, what resource to study, ताकि सेल्फ स्टडी के बेसिस पे आप 4 महीने में कोर्स सब्जेक्ट को मास्टरी कर पाएं and get ready for the examination. Shabbir Educami for IAS for prelims preparation on your own, self-study based subject mastery.